Hello and welcome to my channel once again. Today we are going to discuss about graphic designing and its basic elements. Now graphic designing is one of the very important part in today's world. Without graphic designing you cannot survive. Whether you are a student, whether you are entrepreneur or even if you are working as a freelancer, graphic designing is for you. You have to learn graphic designing, then only you can generate or create your own brand in IT industry. So I have divided this graphic designing part in 5 different spaces and I am going to explain one by one to all of them. You need to understand these 5 elements of graphic designing so that you can master this skill and start your career as a graphic designer. Now, graphic designer is one of the important and most widely required service. Now, graphic designer is required for big industries. Graphic designer is required even for a small business to establish their social network or to create lot of different content on social media. Graphic designer is in high demand. Now it depends how you are working and for whom you are working. Now some graphic designers are getting very high salary in big industries and some graphic designers are earnings in lakhs just by working at home as a freelancer. Now it depends on you how you are working. Now one thing is very sure, if you want to become a graphic designer, you need to work on these 5 elements. So let us see which are those 5 elements. So these are the 5 elements you can see on my map. Now number one thing that you need to understand the fundamentals of graphic designing. Now what is graphic designing, why it is required, how many things are involved, all those things you need to learn in graphic designing. The second point you need to focus is how graphic designing is useful for web development. See, if you are going to work as a graphic designer, you may need to work for a web development company, or if you are developing your own website, then you have to develop a lot of infographics images for designing websites. Normally, web designing is a different part and web development is a different part. Web developer and web designer, they are working together. So if you are a graphic designer, you must know how graphic designing is useful for web development and what kind of images and infographic components are required by web developer. Then third thing that you need to understand is how graphic designing is useful for social media. Now, online branding, online existence is very important for each and every business. So every business is creating their Facebook pages. They are having their own profiles on different social media platforms. So many different platforms are available, and every businessman is taking a lot of care that they are using a proper message. They are giving a proper message to the society through their online social platforms. Now here they are hiring graphic designer to create lot of different contents, because posting every day is one of the difficult tasks. So they might have to create some images, some photos, some infographic elements, and sometimes simple text messages in attractive manner they need to post continuously on their social media platforms. Now, as a graphic designer, you must learn how graphic designing is helpful for creating social media content for an organization in a professional manner, how to generate online branding, how to generate customers and leads, how to have more engagement on social media platforms, how to give different kinds of messages and create awareness in the market. Now this is very important as a graphic designer, and you need to understand this skill, how to use your graphic designing skill to create more impact on social media platforms. Number 4 is using different graphic tools. Now designing tools are coming every day. Lot of designing tools are even available online. Currently, for a beginner, Canva is one of the very important tool that you can use. It's very simple for newcomers, and slowly you need to understand some other tools like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and so many other things. Even there are some AI based tools are available. You need to understand these different apps coming in the market so that you can keep your productivity better. Giving more in less time is one of the difficult tasks that you need to achieve if you want to save your time. You need to work for different platforms, you need to work for different companies, you may work for different clients, and they are demanding a lot of different images or infographic tools from you. And as a part of your service, you need to make them satisfy happy by providing continuous support and by providing lot of stuffs, lot of graphic content. And now here you need to generate lot of images in minimum time, lot of infographic in minimum time. And for that purpose, now it's a time to use artificial intelligence. Lot of AI based applications are available on internet. You can go and check it out. I'm going to make it a separate video on it, but you need to understand what are current trending tools available for graphical designing. If you're using old and traditional designing tools, then you may not survive for a longer time. So if you want to stay in the market, if you want to earn more money, then you must be a more productive. And to become a more productive, what you need to learn is advanced and current trending tools available in the market. It may include some AI based tools, or it may include some skill based tools. So you must have hands on these tools, and you need to keep yourself updated with the help of this tool. That's why I'm giving opportunity to my students to join my community. So in community, we are having a weekly call, and in every weekly call, I am trying to give something new. So when you are working in a community, you will get advanced knowledge. It's not possible that every time you will go on have research how many tools are coming, what are their features and all those things. It will create a big impact on your business. So if you need to stay updated, one of the simple technique is to join a community of similar people, those who are working in the same industry, same wavelength, same thought process they have. Now what we are having a community of more than 1,000 web developers and coders. Now here we are also providing what are different tools and programming approaches are coming in the market, what is AI, how many AI based tools are coming in the market. So we are having a lot of different kinds of discussion, and through this discussion you may get some required and additional knowledge, and that will keep you updated. And that is what the importance of joining community. Joining community is not only for fun or not only for learning phase. It is very important to keep you motivated and to keep you happy, to keep you engaged with similar kind of people, and keep you updated with the recent trends and applications available in the market. Sometimes what happens, one kind of job will become less popular and new kind of jobs or opportunities are coming in the market, and if you are not aware of it, you may lose a big opportunity. And therefore I am making students to join my community. This is very important to keep you updated and to survive. I am having a lot of web development companies, agencies, digital marketing agencies. They are part of my community, and we are sharing our thoughts, ideas, and that will give information to everyone. Not sometimes even I am learning from my community. Now this is what happening if you are joining a community, and community is very powerful in today's IT world. The last and fifth one that is very important, you must know a perfect roadmap to follow so that you will become a successful graphic designer. Now, when I'm saying successful graphic designer, it must be in the form of earning money. It must be in the form of becoming satisfied in your life. If you are a good web developer, but you are not getting clients, if you are a good graphic designer, but you don't know how to get orders, how to create your own brand, how to get more money so that you can enjoy all the stuffs in your life. And this is what very important thing. Learning tools is not only graphic designing. You must have different ideas. You must be creative. If you are a creative, and then if you know a particular tool to create that particular image or infographic, then you can generate a impactful design. And if you are developing impactful design, then only you can attract customers, clients, and you can satisfy them. And if you satisfy your client, then client can pay you happily and you can earn more. Now this is a different kind of scenario. It's not just learning Photoshop or learning one Canva like tool and start earning. No, you need to learn tools, no doubt, but you need to learn some ideas. You need to stay with community members. You must know how to attract new customers, new client, how to create your own profile. And then you need to prepare a proper flow. You need to set goals for yourself. You need to set long-term goal, short-term goal. Now, by the way, I have created a separate series of goal setting. Now, you just search on the same channel, goal setting, how to set the goal, how to work with multiple goals, how to think about or how to change your mentality, mindset, so that you can set multiple goals and achieve them. You can keep yourself on a track, how to avoid procrastination, how to face failure. Lot of videos already I have added, and I have given lot of content. So you just search on the same YouTube channel for goal setting, and you will get lot of videos available, and you just follow them so that you can set a landmark where you want to go and how to achieve your goal. If you want to become a successful graphic designer, then these are 5 different areas where you need to focus, and you need to learn these things so that you can become a successful graphic designer. I have also created a playlist for graphic designing. Keep watching my videos, and in next video I will tell you the graphic designing fundamentals. I hope this video has given you a lot of values. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends, and you put in a comment box what different thing you learned in this video. I'm sure at least one value you have got from this video. Please put it in the comment box so that I will get motivated by your comments. Thank you. Let's meet in next video.